What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Flying Brian's Garage. So today, got a little bit of general maintenance to do on the old Chevrolet Lumina here. Door locks in the front are sticking really bad, and I got to do something with windshield wipers because this is my wife's ride to and from work. So we're going to get started today by getting the Lincoln out of the carport because I can't do anything with it right now because I ain't got the money for the parts. So we're going to get that moved out, get the Lumina in the shop, and get to work on it. So let's get to it. Alright, first things first, get this hood up and get that battery connected. Slip that on. Just like that. Let's get this thing started. Alright, this thing still runs like crap because the intake is still messed up, but let's see what she'll do for us. It's trying. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You know you want to. Just gonna do it in a minute. Just got to clear all that coolant out of the cylinder. Come on. Come on, baby. There we go. Smells like straight coolant. That shit cleared out. Oh yeah, it's smoking like a freight train. Let's get her moved. Trying to think where I want to put this thing. Probably by the fence. Gotta leave this thing running. Let's get the Lumina in the shop. Alright, the old trusty Lumina. Great car. I love this thing. Alright, let's get her in the shop. Didn't want to do the thing there for a minute. Alright, let's get to work. Alright, now that we have our Lumina in the shop, well, what much of a shop is here, we're going to check fluids real quick. Make sure this car is good to go. So let's run through real quick, check some fluids, see what we're working with here. Got us a towel. Oil dipstick. We are good. Sure, engine coolant's fine. To add some. Yeah, it actually needs some. Glad I checked that. Okay, so coolant. Power steering. I need a light. Alright, now we got our old trusty light. Looks like, yeah, that's good. Engine coolant is down just a little bit. Not much. Boy, that's sludgy in there. I don't like that. I'm gonna have to clean that, flush that out at some point. Belt looks good still. Don't really see any major issues with the car. Let's check our brake fluid. Looks good. Oh shit, what are we leaking? Can't tell if that's oil or coolant. Looks like it's leaking something though. We'll definitely have to fix that at some point. Guess we also probably need to check our trans fluid real quick, make sure it's good. And then we need to flip around our windshield wipers. Ooh, is that side coming apart too? It is. Dang, I need to find some. Okay. It's always something with older vehicles. It's definitely wet down in there. You can see it. It's wet. I'm thinking it's got to be coolant since I've got, let's see, I'm not sure if it is or not. I'll have to check it. Alright. We'll fire it up, check our trans fluid, see how that's doing. Then we can move on to switching out our windshield wipers real quick. Profuse leak. That's good. It's full. Good. Good. Still got a decent amount of trans fluid in it, so we're going to add some coolant, get out from under here, do our wipers, and then we will get straight to the door locks. Alright, we added some coolant to our radiator and our overflow. Power steering looks good, oil looks good, brake fluid looks good. We also added just a little bit of transmission fluid just to be on the safe side. I've checked everything else, and everything else looks fairly good except for that leak that I got going on. I will address that later. But for now, what we can do is close this guy on up. I'm going to run down to the storage shed real quick, and we're going to see if we can find some better wipers than what is on here, because I do not have the money to get some right now. So we're going to see what we can salvage up here at the shop. This one's coming apart. The other one's not too bad, but needs to be replaced. If I have to, I'll switch that one over here and put one over there. But I don't want to put that one over there because it's gone. So let's go down to the storage shed and see what we can locate for the Lumina in the old storage shed. Let's see. I always check for snakes when I come in here. Let's see here. I do believe, if I'm not mistaken, I have some wipers back in here. Yeah, and they're fucking buried. So let me dig those out real quick. They're like back in there. And we'll see what we're working with. Alright, we found some old 22-inch Tricos. I think these are Tricos in here. Let's go up and take these up to the shop and see what we can do with these on the Lumina. They look in pretty decent shape, so hopefully they are good and they work. Alright, I don't know what these are from. There's 4 vehicles, so it's kind of hard to tell. But I think they're Lumina wipers. They're in much better shape. Okay. Let's actually see if these are the same size. Nope, they are bigger. They are much bigger. Let's see if I can make them work. So I want to take a quick second and pause the video and ask y'all to help me with something. I need y'all to do me a favor. Go down and hit that subscribe button. Smash it. Smash that bell. Go like the videos. You know, tell me where you're from. Say hi. Whatever. Ask me questions. It doesn't matter. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs. And I cannot do that without your guys' help. So definitely go subscribe. Check out Facebook, the Instagram, the Snapchat, and now we have a TikTok. You can just go type in Flying Brian's Garage and you will find me. All the profile pictures are the same. It's easy to find. And yeah, give me some likes, give me some subscribes, and all that good stuff. I'm trying to build this, and I can't build it without everybody's help. So, hope you guys are enjoying the videos. You know, got a lot of good videos coming, constantly coming, and I'm constantly sourcing new projects. So, stay tuned, and with that being said, let's get back to the video. Yeah, I'd say that wiper has seen better days. She's a little bit screwy. There is your wiper blade. So, these are junk. At least that one is. Let's see if I can make one of these work on this car. Alright, looks like that one actually does clear with the other one on it. I think I'm going to check, see if I can install both of them and make sure they don't hit each other. I'm not sure if they will or not. I need to try that. Well, that one was actually done too, so it's no good. Jump that one as well. I think the ones that were on the car were 20s. These are 22s. But you know what? They clear. And they get more windshield wiping surface. Might do 22s from now on. And they don't hit. Perfect. So now that we got some new windshield wipers on, let's get this door panel off. Get in here to the lock, see what the hell's going on in there, and repair it. Let's take this door panel off. That was quick. So we have a door panel off. I was expecting this because the locks have been sticking really bad. I can now see that the stickiness from this slid down is what happened. And it got that sticky shit all over the lock rod here. And that's what's binding it up so bad. Only problem is now this plastic clip is broken. So I've got to figure out something for that to glide in. Because if not, it don't work right. It's got to have an eyelet to go through. So we're going to pop this clip out here. Looks, it's broken for sure. So I'm going to have to figure out something for that. And clean this goo off this damn thing and it should work perfect. Then we'll move over to the other side. Alright, now that we got our lock rod all cleaned up, lubricated, no more sticky shit on it. We need to figure out a way to secure that to the door because our clip is broken. So I'm thinking maybe drill a hole in a zip tie, maybe a couple. Let's see what I can figure out. Alright, so what we did was we drilled a hole right above, took a zip tie, zip tied it in, and now that is our little channel. And lock button works. And it is 10 times easier to unlock the car. Used to it. Took a act of Congress to get that to turn over. So now that we got that done, let's get our door panel back on. Alright, we have our door panel back on. And we have a functional lock system. That's unlocked. That's locked. And it is very easy with the key. Nice. So, let's move over to the next door panel. Alright, went ahead and turned the car around so I wasn't on that side getting rained on. Let's go ahead and get this door panel off. Alright, we have our door panel off. This side's a little different. There's no sticky stuff in it. The rod is actually bent and it's catching on this clip here. So we're going to go ahead and get this rod bent back down straight so this rod actually slides through the clip very smoothly. Lube it up. Should work. We'll put it back together and be done with this project. Looks like we have us a working door again. Get that wiggled around a little bit. We'll hit our lock button. See that it locks the door. Let's make sure it's still locking this side. Yep. Yep. Now we're going to go over here, since we know this door is good, and we're going to try to unlock with the button and see if it unlocks the rest of the doors for us. Okay. It's locking the rears. Let's check other rear. Yep. 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 I'd say that's good. Let's get over here. Check this door one more time. It's working great. Got a wire in there. Let's lock it. Locked. 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 And unlocked. So we have our lock cycling perfectly. What we're going to do now is get our door panel back on, and then we will be done with this project. Let's get that door panel back on in 3, 2, 1. Alright, and just like that, the door panel is back on. Let's lock it and see that she works. Very easy to kick that key over, and that is a working door lock on both sides. So, hope you guys enjoyed this short video. tip, lube your locks. I used to be a locksmith too, and I know how important that is. It'll wear your locks out a lot faster if you don't lube everything. PB Blaster, WD-40, any kind of penetrant oil will be great for your locks. Honestly, you could get an old oil can and just use regular oil. It doesn't really matter as long as it's some kind of a lubricant to help those not stick up and the cylinders not to wear out. Sometimes if you have sticky locks, you can take your door panel off and check your rods that run from your locks to your actual mechanism down there in the door and the latch, and that will help free things up. In my case, the driver's side had sticky crap all over it from the door cover falling down. This side had it was just bound up because the rod was actually kind of bent, so I just bent it back into place so it could glide easily. But that fixed the problem. So go down there and like the video if y'all enjoyed it. Leave a comment if you want to say something, have a question or anything. Check out the Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and the TikTok. The only one that's different is the Snapchat. It's an avatar. The rest of them are same profile picture as the YouTube channel. So you just go to them platforms, type in Flying Brian's Garage in the search engines, and you should find me. Also, go check out some of the older videos. Stay tuned for the new videos, and we got a few things in the works. Hopefully it won't take too long because I'm still waiting on parts. But with that being said, I will see you guys on the next episode.